see things.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is tune day. Camacho is finally getting his STI tuned.
Today's the day.
We're gonna be heading down to Geared Performance. We got the downpipe in the back of the car. We're gonna be installing that when we get down there. And then we're gonna be tuning it. Exciting to see how much power Camacho is gonna make.
Let's see, we'll find out.
Remember guys, Camacho already did install his intake and the access port. We're gonna get down there, install the downpipe and the boost controller. We are running a little late, so we're gonna head down there now. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Pay you $10 if you hit him.
I'm down. Come back, come back.
Damn, Mongo's car is looking clean this morning. Oh, never mind. We just made it to Geared Performance and check out their brand new sign. That thing is super sick and it lights up at night. Macho, are you excited?
Dude, I'm fucking excited.
Dude, it's time, guys.
Oh, I'm ready. Is he ready? Still, huh?
Yeah, it was still out the last time we came. So guys, this is Clint's 3000 GT. It's finally in.
Finally in. I got one more part. I gotta do the rubber glove mod because this will open up at idle, just the style it is. Should do the rubber glove mod.
Sick, dude. Yeah, Camacho. First time.
First time working on his own car.
Yeah.
Hey, I installed the intake.
I did.
Yeah. Downpipe. Ooh. It's getting closer, Camacho. Ready? For those of you guys asking if Camacho is on stock ride height, we always knew that it wasn't, and that's exactly what he has right there. Man Engineering, and that, yeah, that looks like a white line sway bar.
They almost rewire it.
I don't need it.
Carry it,
The new downpipe is about to go in. This thing is gonna be crazy loud. Went catless, plus a Tomei. I think this is gonna decipher whether or not I go Tomei, dude, because
That's gonna be you pretty soon.
we'll see. Not only that, Joe here actually convinced Camacho to get a blow-off valve.
It's in.
It in? What the? So Joe just installed the new blow-off valve. Now we are going to be installing the 3-port that is now on this, under this plate, right, Joe? So on ours, it's over there. We got the downpipe in, we got the 3-port in, we got the blow-off valve. Camacho's just gonna throw in the top mount, and then we're gonna start it up and see how it sounds. Take it out of gear! He had it in first gear, what are you doing? Before we get the tune going, we're gonna sit in this simulator and try and get the best lap time on that car, you said, right, Joe?
Yeah, so we do Laguna Seca Raceway with the Lexus ISF. Second phase before.
Oh, bird! Oh!
Damn, look at Ongo.
Fucking bees.
Alright guys, it's dyno time. Here we go.
Magic. No, just dialing it in, the different, setting up the modes. So he's got different boosts for intelligence, sport sharp. So intelligence like 14, sports 17, sport sharp kill mode. It's like 20 pounds.
Yeah. We're leaving the tune for just a minute. This is Casey. You say what's up, Casey?
What's up?
All right. So this is Casey Subi.
No, I hit 370. 370.
Yeah, I'm definitely down.
Dude, this thing is fast, Casey. This thing is fast, dude. Yo, how much you pushing?
Huh?
How much you pushing right now?
22 pounds.
22.
Let's see, that was 21.
Oh my god, this thing is quick, guys. Oh fuck, dude. Wow, that is crazy. Oh my god, dude. Yo guys, this car is insane. Yo, holy fuck, dude. This car is absolutely insane and super nice JDM seats. These are off an 02. but these really hold you in for this amount of power. This is crazy. Guys, I'm gonna put Casey's Instagram right here. Go give him a follow. Check out his GC.
Oh, sorry. It's dirty right now. Don't pay attention to it.
That thing is so crazy, dude. Now that we're back with Camachos Sti, we're gonna go ahead and do a power pull and see the final numbers. So they told Camacho he made 238. He looked kind of disappointed and then found out that that was just intelligent mode.
We got him! We got him!
Holy, that's it? Horsepower, 334 torque.
Yeah, Camacho.
We're at higher elevation too.
Yeah.
So sea level is gonna be faster.
Did you change it?
Yeah.
Sauce my gear.
Sick.
Yeah, that's definitely a lot louder than it used to be.
Is it fast?
Dude.
Is there a difference for sure?
It feels like a whole different car now. It's like, dude.
Oh.
Dude, that's crazy. Solid. Dude, that's sick.
If you guys ever need a tune in the Reno area, make sure you hit up Geared Performance. These guys will take care of you. Always such a fun time here. We will see them next time. Thanks, Joe.
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, dude. Hell yeah. It's so different, dude. Camacho just needs to work on his shifting. Dude, the power is there, dude.
What's going on here, Danielson?
Just gonna show Camacho how to drive. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, sounds so good. So we're just gonna end the vlog up here, guys. We've been taking some photos of all the cars after a couple of hours of driving.
Dude, feels so much different.
Yeah. What's next?
Injectors. No,
Ooh.
dude.
He said it already.
Let us know what you guys think about Camachos Sti and the new tune. Once again, thank you to everyone at Geared Performance, Clint, Joe, Cam. Thank you guys for taking care of us again. It was fun hanging out with you guys. Make sure you guys follow them on Instagram and head to their YouTube channel. See their perspective of the install and the tune on Camachos. We'll see you guys next time.